Hello everyone, Little Splashes here. This video is for parents whose baby is below 3 months old who yet to try conditioning at home before joining our Little Splashes class. For a more intimate bonding time, parents can do this activity while bathing with your little one. A full skin-to-skin session would be a nice opportunity to show your baby that with your full contact, being in the water is a safe and soothing environment. This activity will require an adult-sized bathtub, warm water, and a showering can or DIY container with holes at the bottom. Are you ready? Let's get started! Fill the bathtub with warm water until it reaches slightly above your hip line. Support baby's neck and bum bump. Hold baby in a cradle position. Gently scoop some water onto baby's back, starting from the lower body to the chest and to the shoulders. Introducing water in small batches onto the body will help baby adjust better, as they are able to feel the warm sensation of water slowly flowing on their skin. Now, let's transfer baby into a back float. Supporting the back, slide baby to face you. Using a dominant hand, support the base of the head and neck, and lean baby backwards into a full lying position. Using the other hand, support bum bum and turn baby around. Then, slide baby in an S motion towards you. Gently move baby around and allow them to feel their own buoyancy on the water. Remember to support the back while pushing baby away from you. This activity allows the baby to feel more relaxed in the water. Very good. Now, water sprinklers time. With neck support, lean baby backwards and allow the bum bum to rest on your leg. Show the water flowing in front of your baby. Let's rinse from the back of the head on the command of 1, 2, 3, rings. Middle of the head, 1, 2, 3, rings. Now the face. Ready? 1, 2, 3, rings. Great job! Pinch baby's nose at the end of each set to remove excess water or mucus. These activities can help to stimulate baby's eyes to close, holding of breath, and increase receptivity of having water on their face. It will also allow baby to feel relaxed and comfortable in the water. Gradually, the child will be able to progress to do face submersions and back float comfortably in class. Awesome! You did great! Want to explore more? See you in Little Splashes!